Foley the elevator at Macy's, North Star Mall in San Antonio. I go to 1. There's no door close button. Maybe this is though. That could have been it. We're stopping to pick up some passengers.
Are you going up or down?
I'm going down.
Oh, okay.
I know, I'm trying to ask. I didn't want to go back up. There you go. 1. Okay.
And one.
Ay, ¿con qué fuerzas lo hace? Suéltalo. ¡Ay, hombre! ¿Para acá darle? Pues así no te
There are so many people today at this mall. We're gonna get off here. I like that dry power motor, if that's what it is.